Here again with another video out here at Medipark. We just now got here and hopefully we can catch some trout. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're getting a bite on the marshmallow. Yeah. No. Got him. There's one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah! He jumped too. That's a good one. Heck yeah.
Got that on my marshmallows?
Yeah. $0.98. You don't have to spend $4 for fishing bait. Yeah. It's a good sized trout. I think we're gonna keep it. Stay tuned. The green one's biting. Oh, oh! How? Look at this. Hey, let's have a tournament.
Dude, that was legitimately biting.
Yeah, like.
Dude, it fell, it ripped.
Oh no.
Yes, I caught it. It ripped.
Alright, so.
Getting bites.
Wait, just leave it, just leave it.
I want to use my rod.
Yeah. Get it. You got it? Alright, looks like he just caught one. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, there you go. Whoa, chill.
Oh!
Oh, dang.
That's pretty big.
Alright, bring it over here,
Is it? Watch out.
Dude, he swallowed it. Got one?
Bring it over here.
Oh yeah. No, mine was heavier. Mine was heavier. Mine was bigger.
Stay tuned, guys. Black one's getting a bite. Got him. There's one.
Yeah, he got one.
Oh, bro, get the net. Ooh,
Listen.
that's a good one too.
Let me see. Come here, fish. It's gonna unhook on you. You just...
Somebody said it.
Got it. It's a good size.
Oh yeah, they're probably...
Yours?
Well, he swallowed it, but stay tuned, guys. And that's a good size trout. Good fight too. This kid's deciding to put 8-pound line on a freaking shark rod. And he's using it for trout.
It's gonna work.
But it's whatever. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we are here at the new place. It's a really small pond. You know, they got some catfish and goldfish. It's me and Adolfo versus him over there and his brother over there. So, let's see what happens. Alright guys, we are cooking some trout again today that we caught. Here goes the first one. Oh yeah. So we're doing them in steaks like last time, same recipe. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got some nice looking trout. They look pretty good. So they should be done here in a minute, but we'll show you when they are done. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got those fish done. Look at that goodness. Alright guys, so we are done with the trout. They helped out. So, ow, crap, that's hot. So we are gonna try it. Best trout ever, guys. And see y'all next time.
See y'all next time. 806 on.
Oh,